What's going on, YouTube? In this short tutorial, I just want to show you how you can make your text show up as an angle in Excel so that way you can make the reports that you're making a little bit more unique. So here we have this table right here, and we want the text to be edited like so. So all you have to do is highlight the range of text that we want to be at an angle, then go to the Home tab. Now, under the alignment grouping, you're going to see a little option right here at the top with AB with the arrow at the bottom. And then click that to adjust orientation. And you can pick whatever orientation you like, but for this example, we're just going to click angle counterclockwise. And as you can see, now it is adjusted at the angle like we see right here. One thing to note too is that that the cells are also at an angle now, kind of with the text. And as you can see, that impacts the way the cells are bordered, so the borders are at an angle too. One thing to note too is that you can have this at whatever angle you would want. So going back to the Home tab, going to alignment grouping, clicking on this drop-down menu, and click Format Cell Alignment. Here you can see we can adjust the angle to whatever angle that we want. So we can have it be a bit more vertical, we can have it be a bit more horizontal, whatever we would like to see. And then you can also adjust the alignment, center, left, right, justify. You can adjust indentation. You can adjust how much it is in the cell vertically. Also have the text wrap. You can shrink the text to fit in the cell. You can merge cells. You also change text direction context. So Excel just assumes the text is going to be from left to right based on whatever language setting you're using in Excel, or you can have it specifically left to right, right to left. And if we click OK, as you can see, the angle adjusted a bit with the settings that I changed. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.